I'm Dr. Crystal Cooper. We are in the Advanced Imaging Research Center at UT Southwestern. Advancements in technology for the past decade have been quite tremendous, especially in brain imaging. We actually use brain imaging such as magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, to look at brains of patients such as you, from volume to activity. And we do this in order to provide an index for treatment, so that instead of doing a trial and error process, we can do a more personalized process for you.
I'm Dr. Ben Kurian. This is the Electrophysiology Lab at University of Texas Southwestern. One of the things that we try to do here is get electrical tracings of the brain. So an EEG is akin to an EKG, which gives you an electrical tracing of the heart. We know that individuals have different patterns, brainwave patterns, and we know that different medications can cause those brainwave patterns to change. So this is one of the biomarkers that we utilize in this study to help identify which patients are going to get better on which individual drugs.
If you would consider participating in this study, we really may be able to help you and many other people in the future. Please call us at 214-648-HELP.